Hello, Omo Wagwan. Omo, let me tell you something. Pinterest is one of the best now in terms of suggesting pictures and designs for you. For designers, guy, this Pinterest now be. Omo, make I tell you something. Okay, first now, let's go to let's say we dey try find sport. Let's just say sport background. This is a sport background, guy. Wait, now just watch. Let's see something. You see the tons of suggestion. Omo, make I shift one side first. This is a tons of suggestions you get. This football is bringing you. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Guy, leave every other thing. We want to stop this controversy between free pick and Pinterest. Pinterest is a search engine, and this search engine for pictures. And as a designer, if you are not in love with Pinterest, then forget it. Just forget it. You will not make it. Guy, designers, if you really love this game, if you really want to make something out of this game, guy, Pinterest, you have to be 5 and 6. You need to hold it very tight, just like your girlfriend right now. So designers, I urge you all, take advantage of Pinterest, use it wisely and use it well. Thank you, and subscribe for more.